Horomaya Akenya ni moritio metheme na turia nime turia turikite thugura-ini nganania ya kwendia andũ na njira ya gwitua ati ni maabitha agwethera andũ mawira nja ya bũrũri. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria githomo kia rũthiomi rwa Jerumani University-ini ya Meru, mwandiki mukaru wa maundu ma nja wa bũrũri Roslyn Njogu augite ati rungu rwa miaka 2.5 makiria ma Akenya 530 ni monete mieke ya mawira nja ya bũrũri, akiuria andũ ethĩ mahimbirie thiomi tiganite kuibaibia mieke yao ya kuona mawira maya.
Here at Meru University, scholars and people wishing to learn the German language for labor mobility from across the region. To be able to play well in Kazi Majuo, in the global labor market, you need language skills and you need other skills that you are selling. We know that in the last 3 years alone, 2.5 years alone, more than 530,000 Kenyans have found job opportunities abroad. It is still a smaller number than the people who have found jobs here locally and the people who have found jobs online. But that is a significant number. So when we say that this administration has a plan for young people and for employment, this is what we mean.
Besides the courses that you do, we also give you an enhanced skill in language that will allow you for mobile, legal labor migration. And I'm very happy that today the PS did allow us even also to bring in the TVETs in the county here, and those people doing TVET programs, and those people especially in agriculture, those people in IT, those people in engineering, those people in technology, and we have them here doing certificate, diploma, and the others.
The problem we're having today with our academic students is the job availability. We thank the President for initiating so many programs which are actually absorbing our youth. And this is one of the best ways to do it. Right now, we are going to have this. Meru University is going to be a beneficiary, but even beyond there, we are going to get the extension of EMBO and, as she has said,